Hello students, in this video we will discuss chapter 4 part B numericals. In first numerical, height is given, that is 1 millimeter, that is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Density of mercury is 13.6 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube, and gravity is given 9.8 meter per second square. If height is given, then pressure formula will be H rho G. H is height, rho is density, G is gravity. So substitute the values. After solving this, we'll get pressure equal to 133.28 Pascal. Question number 2. According to question, the pressure due to the water column, that is equal to pressure due to mercury column. So height of water that we want to find, height of mercury is given 0.70 meter, density of mercury is 13,600, and gravity will cancel to the both sides, and density of water is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So H for water is equal to 0.70 into 13,600 divided by 1000. So after solving, you'll get height equal to 9.52 meter of water column. In third numerical, at sea level, height of mercury column is equal to 76 centimeter, which will balance the atmospheric pressure, and at a given place, height of mercury is equal to 70 centimeter. Now the difference between these two is 76 minus 76 centimeter of mercury column. Now according to question, 10 millimeter, which is equal to 1 centimeter of mercury column, corresponds to ascent is equal to 120 meter. Now 6 centimeter of mercury column difference will correspond to ascent equal to 120 into 6, so that will be equal to 720 meter ascent. Fourth numerical, the pressure which is given, that is 1.04 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal, gravity is 10 meter per second square, and density is 1.3 kilogram per meter cube. Now height that you have to find, again apply the formula pressure equal to H rho G. H is equal to P upon rho G, where P is the pressure, rho is the density, and G is the gravity. Substitute the values of pressure, density and gravity. So after solving, 104 upon 100 with this 10 to the power 5, you will get 10 to the power 3, and this decimal will cancel with this 10, so 13 will be in the denominator. After solving, you will get 8000 meter, and this height is equal to 8 kilometer. Now the last numerical, in fifth, density of air is given, height of mercury you have to find, and height of air column is also given 107 meter. Density of mercury is 13.6 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. According to question, the mercury height will exert pressure which will equal to pressure exerted by the air column. So height of the mercury that you want to find, density of mercury is 13,600, gravity will cancel for both the sides, height of air is 107, and density of air is 1.295. Now after rearranging 107 into 1.295 divided by 13,600, the answer is 0.01018. Now this decimal, if you will shift to the right side by 3 places, so you will get the answer 10.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So H is equal to 10 millimeter, because 10 to the power minus 3 is milli and meter is the unit. So approximately height is equal to 10 millimeter of mercury column. Now you can practice the numericals by watching this video again and again. Thank you.